Have you ever stared into the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our reach? The allure of the cosmos has been a constant source of intrigue and fascination, beckoning the innate curiosity within us all. This enigma of space, the vast expanse of the unknown, has been a puzzle that humanity has sought to decipher since the dawn of time. From the earliest civilizations, humans have looked to the stars, seeking answers. Ancient cultures turned their eyes skyward, using astronomical observations to explain phenomena they couldn't understand, developing theories and myths to fill in the gaps. They saw patterns in the stars, and those constellations became our first maps of the heavens. As centuries passed, our understanding evolved, but our curiosity never waned. The night sky, once a tapestry of myths and legends, has become a frontier of exploration and discovery. From observing the stars to reaching for them, humanity's journey to space has been a fascinating tale. The journey to space truly began with the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, by the Soviet Union in 1957. This humble sphere of metal, no larger than a beach ball, beeped its way into the annals of history. Its steady pulse a symbol of mankind's first steps beyond the bonds of Earth. But Sputnik was just the beginning. The space race was on, and two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, found themselves locked in a celestial duel. The prize? Nothing less than the moon itself. The Soviets continued to lead the way, marking another milestone in 1961. That's when a young pilot named Yuri Gagarin climbed into a spacecraft called Vostok 1 and became the first human to orbit the Earth. For 108 minutes, Gagarin was alone in the cosmos, a pioneer in the truest sense of the word. Yet the United States was not to be outdone. They had their sights set on a more distant goal, the moon. In 1969, that dream became a reality. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, aboard the Apollo 11 spacecraft, made the quarter-million-mile journey to the lunar surface. And as Armstrong descended the lunar module's ladder and planted the first human foot on the moon, he uttered those immortal words. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The moon landing was a defining moment in human history, a testament to our species' indomitable spirit of exploration and discovery. It was a victory not just for the United States, but for all of humanity. It marked the end of the early space race, but it was far from the end of our journey into the cosmos. These pioneering missions paved the way for future endeavors into the cosmos. Our voyage into space had only just begun, and the stars were the next frontier. The space race had given birth to the era of space exploration, and the universe was now open for us to discover. In the decades that followed the moon landing, space exploration expanded from competition to cooperation. The race to the stars transformed into a shared voyage of discovery and wonderment. This shift was marked by the establishment of international space stations, the most notable being the International Space Station, a joint venture involving over 15 nations. Launched in the late 20th century, the International Space Station serves as an orbiting laboratory and living quarters for astronauts from around the globe. It represents an unprecedented level of international cooperation in the quest to understand the mysteries of the cosmos. But the spirit of cooperation didn't stop at the space station. Another significant achievement of the modern space age is the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, the Hubble telescope orbits Earth, peering deep into the cosmos, capturing images that have fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope's discoveries have been nothing short of groundbreaking. It has allowed us to estimate the age of the universe, observe distant galaxies, and even detect dark matter. In essence, the Hubble has become our window to the universe, revealing a cosmos filled with galaxies far beyond our Milky Way. This era in space exploration has been about more than just technological advancements and scientific discoveries. It's been about breaking down boundaries and fostering global collaboration. It's about realizing that our planet is just a small part of a much larger cosmic tapestry. The modern space age has taught us that space exploration is not just the domain of a single nation or a group of astronauts. It's a human endeavor, one that requires the combined efforts of people from all corners of the globe. As we reached further into space, our view of the universe and our place in it evolved. The stars, once distant and unreachable, now feel a little closer. And as we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our shared journey, a journey of discovery, unity, and endless possibility. Now, as we stand on the cusp of a new era, the future of space exploration looks brighter than ever. As we journey further into the 21st century, we're seeing a seismic shift in the landscape of space exploration. Once the sole domain of governmental giants like NASA and the Russian Space Agency, this brave new frontier is increasingly being charted by private entities. Take SpaceX, for instance. Founded by the indefatigable Elon Musk, this private aerospace company has redefined our approach to space travel. With the successful launch and landing of reusable rockets, they've dramatically cut the cost of reaching space, opening up a realm previously accessible only to superpowers. Their ambitious goal, nothing short of colonizing Mars. The audacious plan involves sending the first crewed mission to the Red Planet within the next decade. This isn't just about planting a flag. It's about establishing a sustainable human settlement, a second home for humankind. And SpaceX isn't alone. Enter Blue Origin, the brainchild of another tech titan, Jeff Bezos. While their sights are initially set a little closer to home with suborbital and orbital space tourism, they share SpaceX's vision of a future where millions of people live and work in space. Their reusable New Shepard and New Glenn rockets are designed to make space travel as common as air travel, bringing the cosmos to the masses. These private companies and others like them are pushing technological boundaries and redefining what's possible. They're not just designing rockets, they're crafting a new narrative for humanity, one where we are no longer confined to our earthly cradle. This is the dawn of a new era, an era where space is not a final frontier, but a new beginning. The dreams of yesterday are the realities of today, and the possibilities of tomorrow are truly limitless. As we look to the stars, we're not just seeing distant celestial bodies. We're seeing our future, a future where space travel is commonplace, where humans are a multi-planetary species, and where the mysteries of the cosmos are within our grasp. Space exploration is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It's the embodiment of our innate curiosity, our drive to push beyond the familiar and venture into the unknown. Indeed, the impact of space exploration on society is profound and far-reaching. It has the power to inspire generations, igniting the spark of curiosity in young minds and encouraging them to dream big. It pushes us to question, to seek, to explore. It's not just about discovering new worlds out there, but also about understanding our own world better. Space exploration has also fostered technological advancements that have transformed our everyday lives. From satellite television and GPS navigation to weather forecasting and medical imaging, the technologies developed for space exploration have found numerous applications on Earth. These advancements, born out of a necessity to solve complex problems in space, have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. Looking ahead, the potential benefits of future space exploration are limitless. Imagine the possibility of colonizing other planets, of harnessing the resources of asteroids, of finding answers to some of the most fundamental questions about life, the universe, and everything in between. The prospect of discovering extraterrestrial life alone is enough to fuel our collective imagination and drive our efforts to explore the cosmos. But perhaps the most significant aspect of space exploration is the perspective it provides. As we venture out into the cosmos, we see our home planet not as a vast, unending expanse, but as a small blue dot in the immensity of space. This perspective, this overview effect, as some astronauts describe it, fosters a sense of unity, of shared destiny, and a renewed appreciation for our planet. As we venture further into the cosmos, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, and in doing so, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the universe. From gazing at the stars to walking on the moon, our journey into space has only just begun. As we've explored today, the enigma of space has always captivated us, leading to the birth of space exploration. From the first rocket launch to the establishment of the modern space age, we've made remarkable strides. And with the future of space exploration shimmering brightly ahead, the possibilities are as infinite as the universe itself. The significance of these explorations is profound. They help us understand our place in the cosmos, push the boundaries of our knowledge, and inspire generations to dream big. Astronauts, those pioneers of the unknown, embody our collective ambition, symbolizing the courage it takes to venture into the unfamiliar. Who knows what mysteries we will unravel next? The universe is vast, and our journey is long. But one thing is certain, the exploration of space will continue to be a testament to our curiosity, courage, and boundless spirit.